if you have a problem advertising on Facebook, you might be limited to some features on Facebook. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. You can click your profile at the bottom right, okay? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down to the help and support, right? And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and report a problem, okay? And basically what you're gonna do next, continue to report right here at the last option, okay? And then basically you can, if you want to include, we're gonna include in that step, it is important so we can pin down our issue, right? And then basically what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just go ahead, I think, and we're gonna click the ads at the top, right? The first option. And basically what we're gonna type right here, just type I'm having issues, or I am having issues with not being able to advertise on Facebook, okay? And then you're gonna continue, right? And type this account, okay, and is, okay, restricted, and then just go ahead and type this account is restricted from, okay, and then this account is restricted from advertising, okay, and then you're gonna type continue, I need this to be fixed, okay. And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just forward your problem to to Facebook, and they will review your issue, and they're gonna reply to you 24 to 48 hours at least. And if you want to include a screenshot, maybe about that restriction, so they have a better understanding and they can fix your problem faster. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.